Ocean animal videos are everywhere right now and they're getting millions of views. What's surprising is that not many people are creating this kind of AI content yet. Just look at this TikTok page. They started not long ago and have already gained over 4,000 followers by posting this one type of video. Some of their videos have reached millions of views. First, check out the pinned comment below. I've shared a detailed prompt there. Open the link, copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will instantly give you 10 viral ocean animal video ideas. Pick the one you like best. I'm choosing the first one. After that, ChatGPT will create two ready-to-use prompts for you, an image prompt, a video prompt. Copy the image prompt and open Google Flow, paste it in, and generate your images. In a few seconds, you'll have some incredible ocean animal pictures. Next, click the three dots and select Animate. Go into the video settings. Choose the ingredients option. Now take the video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, and generate the video. That's it. In just a few moments, you'll have a professional-looking ocean animal video ready to post. If you enjoy AI content and want more viral video ideas, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.